Hi there, are you tired of spending a fortune on anti-aging body scrubs that never seem to work? Well, in this video, we will be showing you how to make your own anti-aging body scrub right at home. The best part is, you won't have to break the bank, and you'll know exactly what ingredients are in it. So, let's get started. First, you'll need a few ingredients. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1/2 cup of coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Once you have all your ingredients, simply mix them together in a bowl until you get a nice, smooth consistency. Now, it's time to use your scrub. Simply apply it to your body in circular motions, focusing on any areas where you want to reduce the signs of aging. Rinse off with warm water, and voila! You'll be left with soft, smooth, and youthful-looking skin. Making your own anti-aging body scrub is easy and cost-effective. With just a few simple ingredients, you can have glowing, youthful-looking skin in no time. So, why not give it a try? Your skin will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.